And yes, they work very well. Look at that, 114. So in less than a minute it dropped over 5 degrees. My hair looks like Back to the Future. What are you doing out there? How fast are you going, ma'am? No, not paying attention, not talking to me. And I have the best tuner ever. What are you doing there? Say tuning the car.
Tuning the car.
There you go. What's up, guys? If you saw my last video, I had a heating issue while driving, and I ended up buying a shroud and the fans, right? So they are installed, but I need to do a couple of things. One is to go on the bottom and tie 2 bolts, and second one is look at the downpipe. It is touching the fan. See down there? So I need to loosen this guy, rotate in a little bit, and see if that's gonna give me the angle I need. But that, you gotta go in. So I'm gonna loosen the exhaust down there and possibly fix it. So cut and weld. I don't know how it's gonna be. I don't have the same skills as Chaz had to do that. He did such a good job, and I'll need to destroy part of it. So I just hope that I do it correctly. Wow, it is tight. Look at that. So this is good right here. There you go. But now there's 3 more parts, and I need to be sure to take it out without damaging anything. And now I'm gonna move this in and see what I need to cut. So you see right there, I need to move this out of the way and this here in. You see it gets out a little bit, and I gain a little bit more space. But if I do that, I lose my angle in here. So I can go probably, well, I can go this far, but then if I go too far, yeah, look at that. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one on the side of the other and see if I can draw something here. Yeah, but this is gonna give me enough. I mean, it's still pretty close, but I guess I mean, this is what I'm gonna get. Yeah, this is max I can go without hitting something. Alright, so I'm gonna draw lines here, and then we're gonna figure something out. A bit of good news though. I won't need to cut that pipe, so I'll leave that one alone. Nice. And I'll get this guy here, which was the one that I soldered, I welded, and I need to take this much out. Okay, so I'm gonna measure from this end to this end, and from this I'm gonna take this much. And I don't know, I could cut right here, you know, take a little piece here, but then I run into a problem that if I don't cut straight, I'll have trouble welding. Here the weld is just in here, so if I cut around here, right, then I can just cut my pipe, whatever, and the pipe goes slide inside. So I have a little slack. So from here I can take this much. Yeah, and that should clear what I need. Yeah, look at that, 50 3/4. So I'm gonna put this guy in there, see if it looks good. I'm gonna put a tape, then we're gonna mark under the car, but that's it. Then we're gonna weld. Alright, I don't know how this happened, but my face is all black. Done. It's shortened. Yeah, I guess still not perfect. So there's one more skill I need to acquire. I need to be able to cut the pipes, put them side to side. This is kind of easy for me because it's overlapping. So even if I poke a hole on the top one, the bottom one ended up melting and figure it out. But if they are together and I poke a hole in one of those, then blah. Alright, so I'm going to put those in the car and let's see how it fits. Alright, a view from the bottom of the car now. So here looks good, still going between the oil pan, and then it goes down there. That's the downpipe, and then here was the problem. So you see now we have a lot of space. I mean, a lot, not a lot, but enough to not melt the fan. I will unfortunately need to wrap this. Let me flip you over here. And unfortunately I'll need to wrap that. I'd rather get that screwed than not get my coolant hot, but yeah, I guess for now what I'll do is I'll get this guy. I still need to wait for parts to hold this in place, but I'll try to go from the bottom. There you go. I went from the bottom, and yeah, that's how it is. Of course it's loose, but at least it will not let the heat go straight to the fan. We're gonna test that tomorrow. I need to secure this somehow. I bought a couple clamps, and then I was planning to put the clamp in here, tie the clamp, and tight this in there. Not sure if it's gonna work or not. Alright, car is on the floor. Alright, so we're gonna start it, and just for my reference, this is what I changed. So you see the left and the right. So 13, 12, 13, yeah, I changed some in here. So mostly that top area. Let's see, the bottom part is what interests me. Yeah, I changed some timing, but we're gonna see how it goes. So start the car. Hopefully I don't need a battery, anything. There you go. 2000. Going down a little. And I have the best tuner ever. What are you doing there? Say tuning the car.
Tuning the car.
There you go. He is good, man. Alright, so we're gonna turn around. Do a little noises. Huh. It's fun. Oh, that was 70 miles per hour. So check this out. We have 120 and dropping to 115. This is actually on. I can hear it from the outside. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Two babies running there. They are strong. And yes, they work very well. Look at that, 114. So in less than a minute, it dropped over 5 degrees. My hair looks like Back to the Future. How was that doctor called on the Back to the Future? Doctor? Doc. Look at my hair. What are you doing out there? How fast are you going, ma'am? Hey, take your ticket right here. No, not paying attention. Not talking to me. And that's gonna be pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you didn't watch the previous video on the Mitsubishi Eclipse 2G where I installed the fans and shroud and you're interested, just watch that. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button. There is a lot of videos coming on this car. New engine in there. I keep saying that in all the videos. This year it's pretty much done. Now I just need to, hopefully nothing else is gonna break. I guess I learned my lessons. Next video is gonna be I guess 12 things that I learned building this car, that if you are interested in tuning and turboing your Eclipse 420A, just watch that video. So subscribe, hit the little bell button, and I appreciate your guys' support. I'll see you in the next video. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.